If you're struggling on how to transfer from the wheelchair to the couch, I'll be showing you that in a bit. Welcome back guys, but if you're new, then hit that subscribe button because once a week I give a shout out to a new subscriber. Before I start, I'd like to mention that I made some T11 Paraplegic merch. I'll be leaving a link in the description as long as anything I mention in this video. And as you see, I'm wearing my own merch and I really like it. So I'll be giving a shout out to any of those that buy my merch, those who give me video ideas, and also those who donate. So today I'll be showing how to transfer from a wheelchair to the couch. But before I start, it's time to get a shout out to a new subscriber. So today's shout out goes out to Kate Caliper. Alright guys, so without more time wasted, let's begin. So this couch is low, but I'll be showing you how I could transfer onto it. So all I do is just scoot forward, throw my legs down, have my hand on the bar of the wheelchair, have my hand on the couch, just transfer like that. But that's the same way to go back. All I do is just have my hand on the bar of the wheelchair, have my hand on the couch, lift my butt up, and like pivot and transfer. And then also it's good to make sure your wheelchair's at a 90-degree angle and not like straight onto like this. Just makes things harder. And if you cannot transfer because the couch is too low, I'll be showing you another way. So I'll be using a pillow, and what a pillow does is pretty much giving you a firm surface to like lift up since the couch is soft and your hand sinks in. Also, it raises you up a bit too. So I have my hand on the bar of the wheelchair, have my hand on the pillow, lift up, and there, just like that. And here's a bonus. I'll be showing you how I could transfer on this kind of couch. So it's the same thing. Angle your wheelchair at a 90-degree angle, scoot forward, throw your legs down, have your hand on the bar of the wheelchair, have the hand on the couch, and just like pivot and transfer, just like that. And to go back, it's the same thing, but with this it's much firmer, so it's much easier. So just lift up and just like transfer like that. Well, that's it for this video. Hopefully by now you're ready to subscribe. And if you learned anything, then leave a like. And don't forget to check the description where I'll be leaving links to anything I mentioned in this video. Well, as always, stay humble. Till next time, bye.
Yes.